students, once again welcome all of you in my maths online class, and this is the fifth video of chapter 2, that is a fraction. In my previous video I have explained you multiplication, how to multiply a fraction, and in this video today we will discuss about the reciprocal and division of fraction. Before the reciprocal and division of fraction, first will we discuss about the last homework. Everyone know what was the last homework? So last homework was solve the question number 3 and 4 of exercise 2b. So what was the three question? Third question was find the value of, and fourth question was simplify. So we solve here some questions. First is a 4 upon 9 of 1 upon 24, and everyone know of means multiplication. So look here, 4 upon 9 of means multiply 1 upon 24. Then multiplication, you know how we can solve the multiplication of the fraction, numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. But first we observe the both fraction. This is a 4 upon 9 and this is a 1 upon 24. Look here, any numbers are divisible? Yes, 4 and 24. So first we cancel them. 4 1s means 24 is divisible by 4. 4 6 24. So 4 1s and 4 6. Then 1 multiplied by 1 upon 9 multiplied by 6. So 1 upon 9 6 54. Then second one is the 5 upon 8 of 20 meter. So 5 upon 8 of means multiply by, so this is a 20, and you can also write, you know that 20 upon 1. Then 5 multiply by 20 and then upon 8 multiply by 1. Listen one thing carefully, we cannot divide numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. This is a wrong. So carefully listen, we cannot divide like this. If these numbers, listen, look here, these numbers are divisible, but we cannot divide now, because these are a numerator and these are a denominator. So only we can divide numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator, but we cannot divide numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So here is a divisible which number? 20 and 8 by which number? 4, because in a 4 table 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. So 4 2s are and 4 5s are. So what is left here? Here is left 5 multiplied by 5 upon 2, then 25 upon 2. Look, this is an improper fraction, and we know that we always write fraction answer in a simplest form. Then 12 2s are 24. 12 will be whole number, and what is left here? 1. So 1 write as a numerator and denominator will be same. Now 12 is to 1 upon 2, or you can say 12 and 1 upon 2. Now next here is the simplify. In simplification we know we solve according to the Bartmas rule. B for bracket, O for half, D for division, and M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. First we open the bracket. So what is here? Bracket. Which bracket here is a small bracket? In a small bracket, what is addition, but given in a mixed form. So firstly, mixed fraction convert in an improper fraction. Look here, 5 2s are, and you know very well how to convert any mixed fraction into the improper. So 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14 upon 5, 14 upon 5 plus 10 1s are 10, 13 upon 10. Then multiply by 1 and 1 upon 2. Then look here, these two numbers are different, means we solve by the LCM method. So 10 and 5 LCM what? 10. Then 10 5 2s are 10. Then 14 multiplied by 2 plus 10 1s are 10. 13 multiplied by 1 bracket. You can convert these two numbers. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 3 upon 2. So look here, 14 to the 28 plus 13 upon 10 multiply by 3 upon 2. 10 and 28 and 13, 3 plus 8, 11 and 2 1, 3 plus 1, 14 upon 41 upon 10 multiply by 3 upon 2. Any number divisible? No, not as any number divisible here. So simply we can multiply 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12 and 10 ones are 20. So these are which number? This is a improper fraction and we can convert into the mixed fraction and then answer will be 6. 26 are 120. And what is left here? 3. 3 upon 20. You know that denominator will be same. Now next, same as we can solve this. There is a what? Subtraction. So first we open the bracket. Means first we solve the bracket. So 4 to the 8 plus 3. 11 upon 4 minus 3 ones are 3 plus 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 1. 4 upon 3 bracket multiply by 3 upon 4. Then LCM 4 and 3 will be 12. 4 3s are, so 11 multiplied by 3 minus 3 4s are. Means these are a common denominator. So this common denominator divided by the 3. 3 4s are, we get the 4. Then that 4 multiply by, and this number means with the numerator and multiply by 3 upon 4 is equal to 11 3s are 33 minus 16 upon 12 multiply by 3 upon 4. 13, 33 minus 16, then we get what? 17. 17 upon 12 multiply by 3 upon 4. Any number is divisible? Yes. 3 and 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are. Then answer will be 17 upon 16. But these are which type fraction? This is the improper. Good. Then you can convert in a mixed fraction and that is a 1 and 1 upon 16. Understood? Now today's first topic is a reciprocal of fraction. So what is the reciprocal of the fraction? So look here, when the product of two fraction is 1. Look here, when the product of two fraction is 1, each of the fraction is called the reciprocal of the other. So look, suppose that here is a 1 upon 7. The definition is saying if the product of two fraction is 1, so the reciprocal of each other. So 1 upon 7. So how we can find the product of 1 of this fraction? Means how we can find the 1? When we multiply opposite of 1 upon 7 in the given fraction, then we can find the 1. Opposite of the fraction, given fraction opposite means what is given here? 1 upon 7. So how we can write the opposite of this fraction? Draw line. Line will be same because we have no any opposite of the line. So line will be same here, and then interchanging we can find how to obtain the 1. We can interchange the numerator and denominator of the fraction. Interchange means 1, this is the numerator, so we can write like as a denominator. Numerator 1 become the denominator, and this denominator 7 means interchange become numerator. Now 1 upon 7, and what is the opposite of 1 upon 7? 7 upon 1. So when we multiply these two fractions, then we can find the 1. Look here, 1 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 1. Then 1 multiplied by 7, 7 multiplied by 1, 7 and 7 is cancelled. And what is left here? 1 upon 1, then answer will be 1. So you can say 1 upon 7 is the reciprocal of 7 upon 1, or 7 upon 1 is the reciprocal of 1 upon 7. So another example we have, so 5 upon 6. So what is a reciprocal of 5 upon 6? Reciprocal means how to find the reciprocal of the given fraction. Interchanging means when we interchange the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator, then we can find the reciprocal of the given fraction. 5 upon 6, 5 upon 6. So what is the numerator in this fraction? 5. 5 is the numerator. Then now 5 become denominator and 6 become numerator. So 6 upon 5 is the reciprocal of 5 upon 6, and you can also say 5 upon 6 is the reciprocal of 6 upon 5. Look another example. Suppose that here 7 only, and the question is saying write the reciprocal of 7. So how we can write? This is a problem? No, here is no problem, and this is a very easy, because you know that what is the denominator here is a 1, means you can say 7 or 7 upon 1. So this is the 7 upon 1, and now you can easily write the reciprocal of the 7 upon 1. Yes, because you know how we can interchange the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. So 1 upon 7 means 1 upon 7 is the reciprocal of 7 upon 1 or 7, and you can also say 7 upon 1 is the reciprocal of 1 upon 7. Reciprocal is very important, because without reciprocal we cannot solve the division of the fraction. Now next topic is a division of fraction, and in the division of fraction reciprocal is a very important. If you understood the reciprocal, so you can easily solve the division of fraction, because division of fraction totally depend on the reciprocal of fraction. So look here, and we have a one example, 3 upon 5 divided by 9 upon 15. The question is saying solve this division. So how we can solve? Look here, we can solve on the 3 word, and words are here. First is a keep, second is a change, and third is a flip, or you can say the reciprocal. Means keep means we cannot change the first fraction. This is the first fraction. In the division always we have two fractions, 3 upon 5 first fraction and 9 upon 15, this is the second fraction. And in the division we cannot change the, means we keep the same, I will write as the same of the first fraction. So 3 upon 5 right will be same, and then change. What is the change? What is the change here? What we can change here? We can change the division sign. In which sign? We can change in a multiplication sign. So division will be changed in a multiplication, and the division convert in a multiplication here is now, and now flip. Flip means or interchange. You can say the interchange. Interchange, or you can say the write the reciprocal. So reciprocal is very important. So write the reciprocal of 9 upon 15. And you know what is the reciprocal of 9 upon 15 and how we can write the reciprocal of 9 upon 15. So 15 means denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. Now we can solve easily. 3 upon 5 multiply by 15 upon 5 multiply by 9. Match both part, numerator and denominator. Any numbers divisible here? Yes, there are two numbers divisible. 3 divided by 9 and 5 and 15 is divisible. Means 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9, 5 ones are 5 threes are. So what is left here? 3 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3, and then answer will be 1. So this is the rule of division of fraction. Now next we take another example. 4 upon 3 divided by 16. So look at this example. 4 upon 3 divided by 16. Look, the second fraction. This is second fraction, and we keep in mind we can write only the reciprocal of the second fraction in the division. We cannot write the first fraction. We cannot change. So first fraction will be same. 4 upon 3, and change. What we can change here? We can change here the division sign in multiplication sign and then write the 16 reciprocal. We know if any number written anywhere without denominator, so we can write there as a 1 denominator of the number. Now here is a reciprocal of the 16 upon 1. What? 1 upon 16. So 4 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3 multiplied by 16. So which number is divisible here? 4 and 16. 4 ones are 4 fours are. So 1 multiplied by 1 upon 3 multiplied by 4. 1 ones are 1. Then 1 upon 12. 3 fours are 12. So this is all about the division. If any confusion, then again I will explain in the next video. So don't worry. Now this was all about the today's, and today's homework is a do the exercise 2B question number 6 and 7, and your homework is attached in the description box. So students, thank you and take care.